Again, you start from here.
King Midas was a very good king. He was making of dust, and his people were very happy at this world. One day, as he was walking in his garden. One day,
Huwag pa ulit-ulit. And then?
One day, as he was walking in his garden, he saw an old man sleeping under a tree. Usually, anyone
Huwag mong gamitin yung paa mo. Ano ka ba?
cut did his wood. He punished. The king looked at the poor old man and felt sorry for him.
Next. Ang likot mo. Huwag ka malikot. Next.
Read the Daddy.
Come on, Yaj, you read.
When the man awoke, he was very surprised
Ang likot mo. Huwag ka malikot.
to see the king sitting
Nearby.
nearby. The king told the man that
Read properly.
the wood that the punished, and then he asked his God
Excuse me.
to help the
Ay, sus. To help. This one.
the man find his way home. The old man thanked the king many times.
Okay, next.
After the god left, a fairy suddenly appeared before King Midas. Because you have shown great kindness, she said, I will grant you one wish.
Next. Ito na. Come on, you read.
Perfect.
This one. Ang gulo naman ni Yaj.
The king thought about it
Mamaya mo na panoorin. You read.
for a while
Come on.
and said, I would like anything. Everything I touch turn to gold.
Next. Next.
The fairy waved her hands and a shower of sparkling fairy dust fell on him. King Midas was so excited. He rushed over to the
Nearby.
Rose bush.
Next.
When he touched it, the flowers all turned to gold. He touched more plants and flowers in his garden, and they also turned to gold.
Wow, everything turned to gold. What happens next?
It's turned to gold.
Yes. Oh, this one first. This one. Oh, you read this.
Turn to gold.
Yes, turn to gold. Everything. Oh, this one. You read this.
King Midas
Mm.
touched the statues
Mm.
and fountains, and they turned to gold.
Mm.
He did the same
This.
thing with all the bushes and trees.
Okay. And then
I saw
riches.
riches king in the whole world. He says to himself in a greedy way.
Okay. Next.
After turning everything in his garden to gold,
Hmm.
he began.
This
It
one.
starts turned to
Oh,
gold.
yes, yes. Come on, you continue. Began.
To feel hungry,
Mm.
he went to
In.
the
Sit down,
castle
sit down.
and asked his servants to bring him some food to eat.
Okay, next.
What
Next.
happened? This is King Midas. It's so happy and sad.
Oh, he then was happy. Now he's sad. Oh, come on, you read this.
But when he
Lifted.
lifted
Come on, you read
the
proper.
mug of water
Come on, continue reading.
to his lips
Mm.
for a drink, he found that it had turned to gold.
Mm.
As he reached for the food, the same thing happened.
Mm.
He could not eat or drink anything.
Oh. Why he could not eat or drink? Oh,
No.
Why? What happened?
He's turned to gold.
Oh, everything turned to gold. Oh, this one. Come on, you read this.
The king sat there staring
Mm.
sadly
Sadly.
at the gold things
Mm-hmm.
on the table.
Mm-hmm.
He was very hungry.
Mm-hmm.
But how would he be able to eat anything?
Mm-hmm. Come on.
As he sat wondering what to do next, his little daughter came running towards him to give him a
What? To give him a
hug.
hug. Oh, the daughter came running to give him a hug. Then what happened?
What happened?
Oh, wait. Let's read. So that we know what happened next. What happened next? Yeah, sit down. Oh, what happened next? Come on, you read.
King Midas suddenly
Dito ka. Ang likot-likot mo. Come on, dali. Oh, King Midas
King Midas suddenly
realized.
Was about to happen. He tried to stop her, but it was too late. His touch turned her at once into solid gold. What
Come on.
happened?
Oh, come on. Continue.
Now that his lovely daughter had become a shiny cold knitted metal statue. His dream of great riches disappeared.
Okay, and then?
The king was
Filled
with sorrow. He ran to the garden and called out for the fairy. He wept and kept calling for the fairy until finally she appeared.
Okay, the fairy appeared to King Midas. And then what happened? Come on.
I beg for you. I beg of you, fairy, please take away my golden touch. Cried.
Cried.
King Midas let everything be as it was again. This is not the kind of life I want. The fairy felt sorry for him and said, "It shall be as you wish."
Wow, it shall be as you wish. And then what happened?
It's not gold.
Yes, the daughter turned into a normal. She turned into normal again. Oh, come on, you read this.
It's not turned to gold.
Yes, okay, you read this.
It's not turned to gold.
Yes, very good.
It's not turned to gold.
Come on, read this. Dali, matatapos na tayo.
The fairy suddenly vanished, and the king looked around. All the plants and flowers and statues and turned back to normal. He was filled with joy when his daughter came running into his arms. Her love was more precious than all the gold in the world.
Okay, the end. Finished. This story is finished. Very good, Yaj. Very good.